Excuse me, Mr. Martini. The audience is waiting. Again.
Nelson Martini. Thanks for joining me and my man Igor Beats from Daylife Entertainment. This is how we blaze. Hey, that's right, y'all. Thanks for coming out tonight. Appreciate it. Showing us some love.
Blazing Martini's Urban Comedy Experience Tour! What he do? Y'all ready for your next comic on the tour? Let me hear you say hell yeah! Coming to the Pepper Belly stage of Warm and Love. You've seen it on BT's Comic View. Let's show us some Pepper Belly's love, and we need the thunder. Give her some love, Cinderella! Blazing Martini's Urban Comedy Experience Tour. Go get her! Go get her!
Why you gonna play me some sad shit like that? We gonna reverse this shit, and you put me on something that was sister can, you know, shake that, shake that. Shit, while I still can. You know I don't like no. Hey. Hey. Go sing it. Go sing. Go sing. Go sing. Go sing. Y'all stand with me. Go sing. Go sing. Go sing. Go sing. Go sing. Hold it. Oh, back hurt. You know, shit, I get a little happy, start shaking that shit. I gotta get up and go to work in the morning.
Excuse me, Mr. Martini. The audience is waiting. Again.
Nelson Martini. Thanks for joining me and my man Igor Beats from Daylife Entertainment. This is how we blaze. Hey, that's right, y'all. Thanks for coming out tonight. Appreciate it. Thanks for showing us some love. As we present the best in urban comedy.